Kia ora. Here at Hiwa, we have over 900 lockers. We've got smart lockers here on level 0, 2 and 5. But you're going to need your campus card or membership card to scan on through. If you don't have your campus card or membership card, or you're heading for a swim, you can use our keypad lockers in our aquatics changing room in B1. Lockers are free for members to use for up to 4 hours, giving you plenty of time to train, swim or relax. So let's take a quick look at how it all works. On the home screen, tap Get a Locker and the screen will show what's available. Choose a locker number that suits your bag size. Once you've selected a locker, scan your card. The locker will then be reserved for you and the door will pop open. Have a look around the area to find your locker. Place your belongings inside and ensure the door is shut before heading off to your session. If it's your first time using a locker, you'll be asked to create a PIN, which will become your personal locker code for future visits. You can use your PIN to unlock your locker if you want to lock your card away while you train. If you ever need to reset it, our friendly reception team is here to help. When you're done, return to the kiosk screen and scan your card. If you're done and no longer need your locker, tap Release. Or you can tap Open if you need a little longer. Both options will open your locker door. If you lock your card away, select Open Existing. Enter your locker number, followed by your PIN code. You'll be prompted to release your locker if you're done, or you can keep it if you need a little longer. You need to select either Release or Keep before your locker will open. Once open, grab your belongings and close the door behind you. Make sure the door clicks back into the lock position to ensure it becomes available for another member. And that's it. Super easy and secure. Just remember you only have 4 hours of use with our lockers. If you ever need a hand, our team is more than happy to help.